Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and click on Privacy section. Now select Permission Manager over here and click on one of your device's options. I will go with Location. Then click on one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. Allow only using the app or deny. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, camera. In here you need to choose See All Camera Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!